How to request a refund on Cancelled Qantas Flight on app. Welcome, and this guide will show you how to request a refund through the Qantas Mobile App for a flight that has been cancelled. This step-by-step process is quick and easy to follow. Start by launching the Qantas app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in with the account that was used to book the cancelled flight. Once you're logged in, tap on the Trips or Bookings tab at the bottom of the screen. This section contains all your upcoming and past flight details. Scroll through your list of bookings and tap on the one that was cancelled. This will open up all available options for that particular flight. Next, tap the Manage Booking button. This menu includes all the tools you need to make changes or submit a refund request. From the list of options, select Request a Refund. This option may appear automatically if Qantas has marked your flight as cancelled. Review refund details, confirm your request, and agree to any applicable terms. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email from the Qantas acknowledging your request.